EURUSD this week has started with a falling down, where we can see the Monday candle was indecision candle, where we can see the bulls and the bears have fight about to push the price in their direction. After the Monday, the price continued to move down. We can see this bearish candle here that was inside the previous low. This was here visible, and then on a Wednesday we can see that the bears had pushed the price again down. In the previous week we had a false breakout to the downside, where we can see this bearish candle going outside below this demand zone, but then on a Friday the price returned back inside. So this was also a false breakout I have mentioned in the previous week analysis. But then this week on a Wednesday the price has tried again to make a breakout to the downside, breaking the previous candle's lows, and then on a Thursday the price again reversed back inside. So this was also a small false breakout, but we can see that the price has tried to reach lower levels, and it has reached it with this lower wick. The price stopped close to area where it is 1.083 price level, which was mentioned in the previous week analysis as one of the important levels. After Tuesday, the price returned back up and then stopped here at 1.0846, which is horizontal support, previous support, and then it was acting as a resistance. But the price on the Friday has continued to move up, where we can see that this candle on the Friday has closed above the previous candle's high. We can see it here, and it has closed at 1.096 price level. We can see that the price has touched again the supply zone around 1.09860, which is a great signal for the bulls who have tried to push the price on higher levels. The price is now at the start of this supply zone, so we can see also a small wick that was trying to push the price. The small wick that has reached higher levels, but it could not reach 1.09860, which means the price did not find enough strength this week to push the price above and to make a breakout. Let's see how this looks on a weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, the previous week was indecision week, but this one we can see a strong wick on the downside, where the price has reached the middle area between this support and this resistance. But now we can see that the price has managed to go above on a weekly time frame and close this week above the previous week candles high close and open price. You can see it here, this one bullish close and also this one bearish close, open price. So the price is above, also we can see it on the monthly time frame, above this trend line, which is now acting as resistance. But also we can see that the weekly candle has reached this confluence of resistance here, which is preventing the price to move up. This bullish candle this week is a great signal for the bulls, but the trip and also the road for the bulls to break above 1.09860 is still on, and we need to wait until this happens. Let's see on the monthly time frame how this looks. Let's stretch this a little bit. Okay. On the monthly time frame, we can see that this month has just started. It is the first week in this month, so we need to wait what will happen. But this is as it looks right now, this is great for the bulls. After the previous month has returned back up in the middle between 1.07825 and 1.09860, this month is crucial for the bulls if they want to break to the upside. We can see this confluence of resistance for the bulls, and it will be hard for the price to reach the higher levels and to make a breakout on a monthly time frame. But as it looks right now, the bulls are still pushing, and also we will see how this looks on a weekly and a daily time frame. What are the critical levels? The critical level for the monthly time frame is still 1.1 price level. I have mentioned in the previous week analysis, so this still holds. But until the price reaches that, we can see a strong confluence of resistance, where we have an uptrend which is now acting as a uptrend trend line, which is now acting as a resistance, and this horizontal 1.09860 on a monthly time frame resistance level. So if the price manages to go above and close this month above, we will need the next month to make a close above again this area to confirm a breakout. If the price goes back inside, we will have the same scenario as the previous 3 months, where we can see this bullish candle going up, making a breakout, but the next month has returned back down, making this breakout a false one. So 1.1 is a critical level on the upside, and also the critical level on the downside is this one here, 1.086 and also 1.083. We can see that this week, in this month, the price has returned back down, testing this area as a support and making a retrace back up. So we will see what happens in this month, where we have 3 more weeks, if I am correct, and we'll see what happens. But to make a conclusion, we need to go to the weekly time frame to see much more precise information and also the picture how this looks. On the weekly time frame, it is the same area here, confluence of resistance around 1.09860. For the price on the weekly time frame, we can see that this one, 1.093, is a critical one, where we can see that the price has managed to close this week above. So we need a next week and also several weeks after that to close the price above and making a confirmation of the breakout, which means after the breakout happens to the upside, the next week needs to close above. Then the next level above that is 1.1 price level. You can see it here, where this candle's body has stopped, and the highest, the price where the price has gone, is 1.109, but for the price is very critical, this one. You can see in the past that the price has stopped also here. There was a confluence between the support and the resistance, the buyers and the sellers, so it's critical for the price to move up and close the week above. On the downside, we can see that the critical level is 1.08846, and the lower ones, which I have mentioned in the previous and in the past, is around 1.083 price level. So these are, you can see it here in the last 3 weeks, 1.083 and also 1.084 up to 86 is an area for the week that is still holding as a bullish and also a demand zone on a weekly time frame. We will see this much more clear on a daily time frame. So the price is going up, and it's very great signal to see that. 1.1 is the next one that needs to be broken to the upside. On the lower, it is an area 1.083. If the price holds, it will be a great signal for the bulls, but if the price goes down and closes, the next one where the price will stop is this area, demand zone, around 1.07825, and it is 1.08 the precise level, which you can see in the past it had made a problems for the price. Let's go to the daily time frame and see how this looks. Let's try this one. On the daily time frame, we can see on the lower side it is 1.084 and also 1.083 price level. That is still holding the price from falling down. It is in between these two. This is currently support, but if the price goes here, it will be a resistance and this support level. We can see the price is still holding around this demand zone, which is a great signal for the price. These candles that have gone down below this demand zone is just an attempt to make a breakout to the downside, but the price could not make that happen. The bulls are still pushing, and as it looks right now, I'm still bullish on this market. After the price has reversed from this area here, and I'm seeing these 3 times where the price has stopped, could not go down, and this wrong bullish move, I'm expecting that the price will make a breakout to the upside, and it will break 1.09860, reaching 1.1 price level. After the price makes a breakout above 1.1, the next level where the price will go is 1.1044 as a first step on a daily time frame. You can see that the price, each time when it has reached this area, there are wicks that has reached 1.1 price level. So this means if the price goes above and closes the day above 1.1, this will mean that the price will probably reach 1.1 at least with a wick. The safest area that the price could reach is 1.104. You can see it here, where the price in the past has reached this with the candle's body on the daily time frame. So until the price goes below 1.083, I'm still bullish. I'm not switching the trend, but for now the price is in between these two price level, 1.083 1.09860 and 1.088, which means the price needs to make a breakout to the upside or to the downside. For me, I'm still looking for the bullish entries, and this area around here, 1.088, which is a demand zone, is a great place to watch until the price action signal happens, like a bullish engulfing bar or bullish pin bar. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading!